the hiccup poker with me, everybody.
All right, stand up and tap with us.
Stand up, everybody. Now tap your feet. 1 and 2 and 3. Tap, tap, tap your feet. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn around, jump up and down. 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. Tap, tap, tap your feet. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn around, jump up and down. 1 and 2 and 3.
Shh. Hear any hiccups?
It worked! My hiccups are gone! Ooh! My hiccups are gone too!
We need to get the water's temperature just right.
Uh-huh! When the temperature goes down into the blue area, that means the water is too cold. When it goes up into the red area, it means the water is too hot.
But when the temperature goes into the green area, that means the water is just right. Uh-oh! The temperature is down in the blue area. Is the water too hot or too cold? Ooh, too cold.
To warm it up, do we add cold water or hot water? Hot water! That's right! Let's try it and see!
When the temperature goes into the green area, say, just right.
Just right! Look, we did it! The temperature is just right!
Count the feathers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hot dog! We fixed it! Good counting!